I got adhesive sticker rolls. These aren't stickers, these are just like receipt paper, but they're multicolored, so you can print out and then use glue to put them into your journal or whatever you're doing. I absolutely love this brand. I love the pocket printer. It looks like a wee parrot, like so. This is the shape of the pocket printer, and you guys will have seen it in the affirmations video. And yeah, I have loved using it, so I'm very excited to be able to like print my inspirational quotes and everything bigger for sticking in my journal. I'm so sorry that the camera's jumping about there, just like you see inside. No, it was like no, it wasn't like you did it on purpose. It was like that you made me go on camera. So what comes with it? Instructions. Oh, it looks so sleek, this big one. Ooh. Okay, so how do I get this out without wrecking it? Take the charger out first. Ooh, and it's packed with foam and everything. Oh, how very snazzy. Now that is a good looking printer. Let me see. I know I'm probably gonna have to charge her up. Which way does she go? So this way. Oh, actually, I'm gonna look at the instructions in case it doesn't work in the same way. Ooh, okay. Button. There we go. Oh wait, is that the power button? Oh my gosh. I wonder if I am able to see these little are you able to see there's like little shapes here? I wonder if it's magnetic, because that is what the little printer has. It's got like magnets on it. So press the cover, opening button. Okay. Maybe I have to do it when it's turned on. Oh no, there we go. Oh, that was easy. And there's already paper in it. Fantastic. And this is just this is just a standard paper roll, so I would probably use Pritt stick or some kind of glue to like, oh, look at what you could print out on that. That'd be so class. As like you could print out a border wallpaper for your room if you really wanted to. Just oodles and doodles. That'd be class. So how has everybody's week been? Rachel, how are you doing? Are you all right? I'm going to charge this so we can turn it on and print something out before we finish this evening. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I don't know about you, but the weather is lovely here. Welcome to everybody joining us on this live. We have just been unboxing this little Poooliprinter. Hey, Fiona. Oh, love it. It's so cute. So I am going to plug her in. Now you don't get like a plug unit with it, but you do get a charger. So this is actually like my iPad charger, I think. Let me see. Excuse me. Lisa, can you not see? Is it not playing? What? Somebody help her. How do you get into the session? What? Sandra, help. It should. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Making me pancake there. So yeah, iPad charger works fine with this. She's charging, I think. Let me see. So if you want to get your hands on one of those little pocket printers, you can visit clairedb.com/pocket printer and use the coupon HHMUK to save 15%. Oh, it's so exciting. Maybe a picture of the zebra. That'll do. It's good, right? I love this printer. And it's a good size as well. I'm peeling that the wrong way, so it's a bit scraggly. You meant to peel it the other way, Claire. But yeah, good quality. You can do image transfer techniques with this using, because it's like a laser printer. You can use Mod Podge, image transfer technique. I'm actually going to do another one. I did one previously on an art journal page using the smaller printer, but I am thinking of putting this onto like a little canvas or something like that. Perhaps I may go for a zebra. I don't know, because that's a good black and white thing to print. But yeah, absolutely love it. Little Poolie.